Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we have a complete wash process video included with uh, ceramic maintenance. I'm not going to do a lot of talking here in this video. I'm going to let the video speak for itself. This engine bay here is actually ceramic coated, so we're using Fireball Hydro Shampoo and a Griots air foamer to wash and clean the engine bay. Because it's coated, we don't want to use any heavy degreasers or anything like that because we don't need to. A good quality ceramic car shampoo will do the job nicely. We're not 100% sure what happened here, but the video camera had a malfunction, and from rinsing it and blow drying it, the footage just kind of stopped. So we had to do what we could do. We blow dried it, and wiped it down, got rid of all the water, and this is how it looks. And as you can see here, this 2019 Jeep Cherokee Overland is really dirty. We had our first snow about a week or so ago, and it's really got some salt and road film and all that nasty stuff on it. And we're going to go through our wash process here, and we're going to start with the wheels. Going to use a good quality tire cleaner as well as a wheel cleaner that has iron remover in it. Remove any metal contaminants from the brake pads or anything like that. You're going to scrub the wheel wells as well. And I don't know how much the camera is going to pick this up, but we have a wash and rinse bucket for all of our wheel and tire cleaning tools. We have a fender liner brush, a tire brush, a wheel brush, and lastly we have a couple different size wheel woolies that are attached to the end of the drill to clean the barrel of the wheels. And to keep the length of this video short and sweet, we're only going to clean one of the wheels in this footage. No need to see me going around the entire vehicle cleaning all the wheels. It's pretty much self-explanatory after you do one wheel what it takes to do all four. We're going to bring you in close here in just a second to show you how clean the tire and wheel have become. And then we're going to get started with our pre-soak process. And our pre-soak is used to remove all the grit and grime and stuff that'll scratch and swirl your vehicle. And what we use for a pre-soak is a combination of a pre-soak quality soap that is made to emulsify and encapsulate and pull the grit and grime off the vehicle, the thick stuff. And we combine that with an iron remover, especially in this case, because this is for maintenance on a ceramic coated vehicle. And I'm going around with a little detailing brush while the pre-soak was going on, clean around all the emblems and door handles and get anything that was loose that a wash mitt may miss. And once we're done rinsing, we're going to spray some bug remover on the front end. There's still some bugs being attached to these vehicles right now, even though we're getting close to winter. And our pre-soak is actually done with hot water. I forgot to mention that earlier. So it'll help melt and loosen bug and guts and bird poop and all that good stuff prior to applying the bug remover and foaming down the car with, in this case, Fireball Pearl pH neutral car shampoo so we can do our contact wash. And we don't use the 2 bucket method here. I don't want that to alarm anybody, but we use the multi-mitt method. We have 5 to 6 wash mitts that are in our bucket of car shampoo after we foam down the vehicle. And then we strategically place these mitts around the vehicle with 4 or 5 on it, including one on a wand. Then we have a couple backups in the bucket. And then those mitts go into a rinse bucket and don't get used again until they get washed. Makes the wash process a lot quicker, and you're not going back and forth between a wash and a rinse bucket with grit guards. And not only do we rinse the vehicle, but we also use a spot-free rinse. As you can see, the hose on this pressure washer wand is actually red. It was done just so we could tell the hoses apart inside the shop. Going to do a spot-free rinse on here, and then we're going to get back into the shop so we can do the Glassparency maintenance on it, as well as the ceramic maintenance on the exterior. Now that we got it inside here, drying off the windows first. Now we're going to get ready to do the Glassparency maintenance. Just have to use the Glassparency window cleaner, which is alcohol based. Get the window dry. I'll bust out the blow dryer as well to help it along. We'll do the maintenance on the Glassparency, and then we'll get started on drying the rest of the vehicle. And when we dry the rest of the vehicle, we'll be using a nano ceramic spray sealant to use as a drying aid, and that actually maintains the ceramic coating on this vehicle. And while I'm going around the vehicle here, if you happen to notice some clutter around our new location, we're still officially getting settled in here, so please excuse the mess. It's been quite the process to stay open and get settled at the same time. Just as we were getting ready to pull this back outside, give it a final look, we noticed that one of the tires had an issue with it. We weren't exactly sure if it was losing air or it was just low on air, so we ran it up the road to our friends at Discount Tire real quick. It's really great having Discount Tire around 2 to 3 minutes just up the road. They've been taking care of our owner for at least 5 to 6 years, and now they take care of all of our customers because we're so close. As it turned out, the tire was just low on air. We got the tires rotated for the owner while it was there, get it back to the shop. We're going to apply the tire shine. And once the tire shine's done, we're going to use the ceramic sealant on the wheels. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If this was a full length video and not sped up and cut into sections, a full wash takes around 1.5 to 2 hours depending on the size of the vehicle. And to keep the video size and length down, part 2 of the finished product will be in the description below. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing, now located on Center Road in Avon with a second location coming in Bay Village. We have a 20% off sale right now for all veterans until next Saturday. We appreciate each and every one of you. We will see you in the next video.